Say oh, 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 oh.
Songbird sitting on the wire, sing a fire from your belly so small. Sound waves roll and the waves spread wide. You sing a song until it's 6 feet tall. And the wall in the stomach, stomping down the sidewalk, wearing clothes, standing side by side. Fly with the songbirds on to the next stop. You sing a song, you look each other in the eye like can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dancer, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings. Be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. Oh, you tell the truth. You tell the truth. Woman Trini got their wild imagination. He think they looking when he walk on by. He think the world is one big mirror. Him get upset and then he don't feel right. When he walk, when he talk, when he's stalking down the sidewalk, sporting clothes stuck in stride by stride. I tell him, Trini, you are not what you consider. I stop him dead when I look him in the eyes. So who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dancer, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings. Be a beautiful song, songbird.